When you search for ground basketball hoops, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to find out what really stands out, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Gosports Splash Hoop Pro. The Gosports Splash Hoop Pro is a fun twist on basketball, designed specifically for the pool. At $129.99, it caught my eye with its vibrant blue color and impressive design. If you want a great way to combine basketball fun with summer pool days, this is worth a serious look. This hoop is purpose-built for pool use, meaning it won't rust or tip over like standard driveway hoops. It features an extra-large backboard measuring 34 by 25 inches and a sturdy 14-inch rim, making it a solid choice for real play. The HDP construction is UV-resistant and designed for durability, so you won't have to worry about it deteriorating after a few weeks in the sun. With over 8,100 reviews and a solid 4.8 star rating, people clearly love this product for pool parties. Now, some users reported that the hoop could be a bit wobbly if not filled properly. Here's the thing though, as long as you fill the base with water as recommended, it holds up just fine for a fun day in the sun. This is perfect for you if you're looking to add some entertainment to your pool days. Skip this one if you're looking for a hoop to use on solid ground instead of water. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious play. The Done-Right Splash and Shoot Pool Basketball Hoop. Product number 2. Done-Right Splash and Shoot. Next up is the Done-Right Splash and Shoot, priced at $419. This hoop offers an adjustable height and a clear backboard that caught my attention right away. If you want a premium pool basketball experience, this one's definitely worth considering. What makes this hoop stand out is its heavy-duty base that can hold up to 200 pounds when filled with water, ensuring stability during play. The adjustable aluminum pole lets you set it anywhere from 23 inches to 53 inches high, making it suitable for both kids and adults. The 29 by 43 inch shatterproof backboard ensures safety while providing a professional feel. Plus, it's made in the USA, which is a nice touch for those who prefer local craftsmanship. However, some users found the assembly process a bit tricky. I get it. If you're not handy, that can be frustrating. But once it's set up, the quality and durability make it well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality pool hoop that lasts. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need something for small kids. It's a worthwhile investment for serious players. Now, if the height adjustment of the Done-Right was a key feature for you, the next product has an even more professional look. The Silverback Height Adjustable In-Ground Basketball Hoop. Product number 3. Silverback Height Adjustable. The Silverback Height Adjustable In-Ground Basketball Hoop is priced at $969.95 and is built for serious players. The tempered glass backboard and pro-style breakaway rim caught my attention instantly. If you want a gym-style experience right in your backyard, this is a top contender. This hoop features a height adjustment from 7.5 to 10 feet, which is great for players of all ages and skill levels. The flexing rim is designed to absorb pressure, which can help prevent injuries and protect the backboard. The tempered glass backboard gives you that authentic feel and a true bounce, making it ideal for serious shooters. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 1,500 users, it clearly impresses. The catch? Some users noted that installation can be quite the project, especially if you're not experienced with concrete work. It's definitely a commitment, but once it's up, you'll have a hoop that offers a fantastic playing experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-end hoop that performs like those in professional gyms. Skip this if installation complexity is a deal breaker for you. Considering its quality, it's a solid investment for basketball enthusiasts. Alright, if the Silverback's installation worries you, let's take a look at something a bit simpler. The Goalrilla 9-inch Basketball Anchor System. Product number 4. Goalrilla Anchor System. The Goalrilla 9-inch Basketball Anchor System is a practical solution priced at $149.95. This product was designed to let you move your basketball hoop when you move homes, which is a feature that really caught my attention. If you want flexibility without compromising quality, this is worth checking out. This anchor system installs in-ground with concrete and rebar, allowing your Goalrilla hoop to move with you. It's compatible with all Goalrilla hoops, making it a convenient addition for those who frequently relocate. The easy leveling feature ensures that your hoop will be stable and secure. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 375 users, this product is highly regarded for its functionality. However, some users mentioned that it's not compatible with other brands like Silverback or Goalrilla. Here's the thing. If you own a Goalrilla hoop, this is a no-brainer. If you have a different brand, it's definitely not the right fit. This is perfect for you if you want a hoop that you can take with you easily. Skip this one if you don't own a Goalrilla hoop. For the price, it's a smart investment for flexibility. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly solution for stabilizing your hoop, let's check out the Original Solution Heavy-Duty Weighted Base Anchor. Product number 5, Original Solution Base Anchor. The Original Solution Heavy-Duty Weighted Base Anchor is priced at just $54.99, making it an affordable choice. This product caught my eye because it addresses a common issue, stabilizing portable hoops. If you want peace of mind about your hoop staying upright, this is a great option. This anchor is designed to hold over 300 pounds, which can significantly reduce the risk of falling over. It's made from weather-resistant materials, so you can trust it will last through all seasons. The design is HOA-friendly, which means you won't have to worry about violating community rules about unsightly basketball setups. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 373 reviews, people seem to appreciate its functionality. One downside is that it doesn't include the basketball hoop itself, so you'll need to have that separately. But honestly, for the price and the peace of mind it offers, it's a fantastic accessory for anyone with a portable basketball hoop. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable way to stabilize your portable hoop. Skip this one if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that includes a hoop. It's a great value for the money when you consider the safety it brings. So there you have it. From the fun Gosports Splash Hoop Pro for pool parties to the serious Silverback for professional play, each of these hoops offers something unique. The Done Right is excellent for adjustable heights, while the Goalrilla Anchor allows for mobility, and the Original Solution is perfect for stabilizing portable hoops. Depending on your needs, you can't go wrong with any of these choices.